signs in your eyes telling me to be the man. If looks could kill, wouldn't I be better off dead? When you need someone that you also feel needed. You're so beautiful, I'll give you my heart, babe. Do you find me attractive, or do you just like the company I keep? I wanna know you better, but I don't know how.
Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to a new video, and as you have seen, we are going to do much of the cleaning and some cooking. So let's start with the cleaning, and today we are going to clean our fridge and our water dispenser. Yeah guys, so let's do the cleaning. So we start with the shelves and all that. So let's do this together. So if you are new here, please welcome to this channel. I hope you enjoy the motivation and it helps you clean your kitchen and make your kitchen a better space for you. So yeah guys, if you're new here, my name is Flo. I do lots of motherhood content and lots of cooking. Yeah guys, so welcome to this space, and let us start with the cleaning. And as you have seen, we are going to use some warm water, yeah guys, and soap and nothing else, just warm water and utensils, soap.
I don't know, I guess I've never been as bold as you. You put a little beat in my heart and a little light in my dark. And now it's my turn, but where do I start? You got me hooked in like an upbeat chorus, got me on my knees begging for it. You got my whole heart screaming it, and you got the whole dance floor feeling it. You caught me off guard with your rhythm so smooth, gotta take it all in, I'm in awe of you. Girl, I can't stop listening, no, I'll never get enough, won't you play it again? Well, maybe it don't show, but I'm on pins and needles for you. And girl, you ought to know, no one makes my jaw hit the floor like you do. You put a little beat in my heart and a little light in my dark. And now it's my turn, but where do I start? You got me hooked in like an upbeat chorus, got me on my knees begging for it. You got my whole heart screaming it, and you got the whole dance floor feeling it. You caught me off guard with your rhythm so smooth, gotta take it all in, I'm in awe of you. Girl, I can't stop listening, no, I'll never get enough, won't you play it again? All I wanted was to keep you with me. I thought I was supposed to keep you guessing. I should've swallowed my pride, cause that's what you left with. Cause now I'm on my knees and I'm begging for you. You got me hooked in like an upbeat chorus, got me on my knees begging for it. You got my whole heart screaming it, and you got the whole dance floor feeling it. You caught me off guard with your rhythm so smooth, gotta take it all in, I'm in awe of you. Girl, I can't stop listening, no, I'll never get enough, won't you play it again?
So guys, please let me know how many times do you clean like your fridge, like the deep cleaning, other than the wiping. So mostly maybe once a month, mostly it is wiped either 2 or 3 days in a week. So mostly the deep cleaning you do it once in a month. So yeah guys, so let me know how many times you clean your fridge Yeah guys, so as we continue cleaning, let me know that
better things seems to go when you need someone that you also feel needed. You're so beautiful, I'll give you my heart, babe. You're so beautiful, I'll give you my all, babe. Do you find me attractive, or do you just like the company I keep? I wanna know you better, but I don't know how to go slow about it. Treat me with your kindness, and I see what I can do. Sooner the better, my dear. Signs in your eyes telling me to be the man. If looks could kill, wouldn't I be better off dead? When you need someone that you also feel needed. You're so beautiful, I'll give you my heart, babe. Do you find me attractive, or do you just like the company I keep? I wanna know you better, but I don't know how to go slow about it. Treat me with your kindness, I'll see what I can do. Sooner the better, my dear. Time will be of the essence, and I just love the way your terms and conditions apply. Soon time will be of the essence, and I just love the way your terms and conditions apply.
so guys, the other thing we were cleaning today is this dispenser. I really hate cleaning the dispenser, yeah guys, but because we put our water in here, we have to clean it. So yeah guys, and as you can see, I was cleaning it on the balcony because of the water spillage and all that. So yeah guys, so let's clean this as well. Yeah, and I hope you get the motivation to clean yours. So this one was just really dirty. It has been a while since I cleaned it, so yeah.
Ceiling's falling down my bed, and they all facing ashes. Bombs away, shadows move close enough to dark. State of mind here. Chandelier of fantasy, neon dreams keep me up. The avenues of friends we meet, I won't bring home, don't worry, no. about you later.
So guys, as you can see here, I was just using some hot water to run through this dispenser, and as you can see on that back side, it's still dirty, so we are just going to clean that off. Yeah guys, and we were done here. It was clean here guys, and yeah, I was done with this thing, and really it's not the best chore for anyone to do. Yeah, but we have to clean it guys, because that is where we put our clean water for drinking. So we never put it like on like electricity. We just use it for water dispensing. We don't take warm water or anything. So yeah, it is just for the water dispensing purpose. So yeah guys, and also to keep the water away from the kids. Yeah. So as you see, it's we are going to take it back inside. Yeah, and the fridge was clean as well. So yeah guys, so we were done with this cleaning. Yeah, for a day, for one day, doing this cleaning of these two, it's a lot of work, but you always get a satisfaction when your kitchen is clean. So we are done with the fridge and yeah, and the dispenser. And as you see, the dispenser is somewhere behind the fridge, because I have a toddler who likes to run the water so that it pours, so we keep it behind there so that he can't reach it. So yeah guys, so we are done.
Of the sun, and every morning all feels the same. Where did all the rainy days go? The gusts from New England chills my bones, thawed out by the California sun. The thing for me in the middle of January. Why am I in shorts? It's still warm. I drove 3 hours to feel the rain, 'cause I'm tired of the sun.
So guys, on the next part of this video, let us make some mahamri. So yeah guys, and those are the measurements or the ingredients that I used. Those are the correct measurements that I took. So yeah guys, we are going to make some mahamri. So let's do that as we enjoy some music. So this one is just an easy recipe. You can try it today and you'll get yourself some good mahamri. So if you can, please try it out. Yeah guys, so let's start with the mixing of the dough, of the ingredients to make the dough. It's as easy as I am doing it. Yeah guys, no complication. So though you can reduce on the sugar, so if you don't like lots of sugar, you can reduce. Maybe, like I was saying, you can use like 90 grams of sugar or 100 grams. So yeah guys, so we just mixed the ingredient and all that. Yeah, and we are just going to make a dough, put it aside, let it rest for about an hour, and as it rests, we are going to make ourselves some eggs. So this was our breakfast for the weekend. Yeah guys, and we go out there. So yeah guys, so let's make some eggs as our dough rests. But before we could do the eggs, so guys, I wanted to talk about this non-stick pan that we got from the supermarket. As you can see, it's written made in Italy. Yeah guys, so as you have seen, it has chipped out. It's about 2 years old and it has really chipped. So yeah guys, you know why I am really hesitant with non-stick. So that is what I have. 2 years down the line, that is how it looks. So the other pan that I'm going to show you here, it's really old, like really old. It's a pan that is really like 10 years old. So yeah, compared to this one, that one has really lasted and it still works well. Yeah, though it's a lighter one and a smaller one. So yeah, guys, yeah, non-stick is somehow complicated and all that. So yeah, I would prefer the aluminium one compared to the non-stick one any day. So yeah, guys, yeah, it's a choice that we have to make for the non-stick things. Yeah.
And I've never been one to pray. I hope for someone like you. After the hurt and the heartbreak, you made me believe in something new. Baby, like a sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me. After the hardest night, you're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen and hallelujah, thanking God's above. And take me to church with your love. And take me to church with your love. Since I was a child, I never made the best choices. My heart can run wild. I get distracted with pretty voices, but my past lovers were wrong. Knew it from how their love was given. I feel right since they've been gone. Since you became my religion, baby, like a sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me. After the hardest night, you're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen and hallelujah, thanking God's above. And take me to church with your love. And take me to church with your love. Down to the river, gave me a new.
So our eggs are done. We keep that aside and now start preparing the mahamri. So here is our dough. It has been resting for 1 hour. As you can see, it has doubled in size. So we're just going to pass it through some knead it with some flour, cut it into several pieces, then roll it, guys. Cut it into the size that we want for our mahamri, and now we can fry our mahamri, guys. So let's do that. Yeah, guys, as this one makes you very soft mahamri, and yeah, very sweet one. So please if you can, try it at home and you love your mahamri. So let's do the mahamri, guys. Hope you enjoy and try out this recipe.
I've always been so invisible to you, but I'm just waiting on you to pull back the curtains. And I've been standing on the sideline, waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. Imagination is chasing after innocent love, but I've been wasting so much time living on cloud nine. Am I the only one who dreamed this up? And I've been standing on these highlights, waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me when I fall asleep. I'm dreaming that you think of me. But if just too cool, I won't be a fool. When I fall asleep, I'm dreaming that you think of me. But if you're just too cool, I won't be a fool. Ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. Need you to wake me up when I'm falling asleep. Girl, won't you wake me up? I hope you're thinking of me. Oh, won't you wake me? Oh, won't you wake me up?
So as you can see guys, our Mahamri are turning out so well. So for me, I really can't buy like mandazis or Mahamri from the shops, because if you are in this country or if you are in Kenya, we have seen how these people who like mass produce these things do, like they do them in a very dirty environment and all that, unless it's someone who is certified, and most of them are not. So yeah guys, it's better you make these things at home. It's even cost effective for you to do that, because you can make lots of them. So yeah guys, if you can, please make your own mahandazi or mahamri at home. So this is how they turned out under the sunlight. As always, I always want to capture what I cook from the sunlight. Yeah guys, this is how they turned out, and they were so yummy. So please try out this recipe. Let me know how it turned out for you. Yeah guys, enjoy how this mahamri look. Yeah guys, so if you have watched this video till this far, thank you so much. To my premier gang, thank you so much guys for always showing up. My returnees, asanteni sana for watching my videos. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. Yeah guys, and yeah, let's enjoy some good content from here. So this is how these mandazis or these mahamris turned out. Yeah, so yummy. As you can see inside, they are so yummy. So let me see you on the next one guys, and it's a bye from me. So